I recently bought a box of the 2006 Monster in My Pocket figures. They're still brand new in their box. I couldn't pass it up. I've never really had these figures before, so I didn't know any rare ones. I know there's 3 rare ones that I think were only available in Australia, but unfortunately this isn't one of them. Let me just take these all out and you can have a look at them all. There was 11 of these in total. Looks like there's a couple of doublers. You can see the vampire there as well. That's a really cool one. I think that's quite common, but it still looks cool regardless. There's a centaur there as well, griffin, Everest as well, gotta love it. These figures are quite cool. I like the detail on them as well. They're simple but still pretty cool. Did any of you guys collect any of these ones? Let me know in the comments if you did, and what's your favourite one.